SmartDraw is designed for real-world investigative work, not just technical specialists. Start with any existing floor plan and drag and drop crime scene symbols to create a clear, defensible scene ready for any audience. Officers can start creating accurate crime scene diagrams immediately, without specialized training or complex setup. SmartDraw allows you to import existing floor plan PDFs or images to serve as the foundation for your diagram. Once imported, scale the existing floor plan to match your drawing and draw your crime scene on top. You can do the same thing for outdoor crime scenes using Google Maps images. Your investigators can focus on documenting evidence instead of drafting spaces. But if you don't have an existing plan to import, SmartDraw makes creating a floor plan easy with intuitive wall drawing and drag-and-drop room and building outlines that snap together without overlapping. Type in the exact dimensions to resize and place elements precisely. SmartDraw has extensive symbol libraries designed for crime scene investigators and law enforcement. Just drag-and-drop symbols such as blood spatters like arterial spurts, transfer marks, and cast-off stains, spent bullet casings for pistols, rifles, and shotguns, articulated body symbols, symbols for weapons and drugs that include assault rifles, submachine guns, fentanyl, pills, and drug paraphernalia, and supporting items that you'll find at a crime scene like furniture and other objects adjacent to the crime, as well as vehicles like trucks and cars. Insert crime scene photos directly into the diagram to add real-world context. Use layers to separate the structural layout from the evidence collected and officer positioning at the scene. Turn the visibility of the layers on and off to help detectives, attorneys, or juries focus on what matters. Add annotations and labels to make your diagram easy to read and interpret even by non-technical audiences like juries. Create numbered references and legends that correspond to evidence markers. Inconsistent documentation slows investigators and weakens presentation. With SmartDraw, your investigative team can use standardized templates and even have custom symbol libraries to make sure diagrams are consistent across reports and cases.